How to change language in VLC Media Player. We are using VLC Media Player on Windows, but if you are using VLC on any other operating system like Mac or anything else, this method will work the same for you. So to change your language in VLC Media Player, first open the VLC Media Player. Now click on Tools. From the menu, select Preferences, or you can press Ctrl+P on your keyboard or Command+P if you are using Mac. Once you click on it, this window will appear. As you can see, there is the language option, and right now my language is selected to Auto. To change it, click and drop the menu and select any of your preferred language from the list. Once selected, click on the Save button to save the changes you have made. That's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.